Hello, and welcome back to another lesson with Master Guitar Frets. My name is Jörg. In this lesson, we're going to use the major pentatonic scale, and we're going to use the notes as fill in between a 3-chord progression. This will have a little bit of a folky or country feel. However, this technique can also be used in rock and blues. Okay, let's have a closer look at the fretboard and see exactly what we're doing here. And we're going to start with the G chord. And we're going to be using the 5th position of the G major pentatonic, which is here. 3rd fret, E string, open A, 2nd fret A, open D, 2nd fret D, open G, 2nd fret G, open B, 3rd fret B, open E, 3rd fret E. Okay, that's where we're going to pick the notes out of. Okay, so we strum the chord, we hammer on the 2nd fret A, we play the open D, pull off on the 2nd fret D, and back to A. Okay, let's see if we can show that better. So that is for G. Further break down the song. So we're now in C. And the C major pentatonic scale starts at C here. 3rd fret A, open D, 2nd D, open G, 2nd G, and 1st B. So hammer on 2nd fret D string, pick open G, 2nd fret G, and then back to C here on the 1st fret B string. And you can also strum the chord there. So we start here. Okay, so that's the first part and the second part, or first chord, second chord. Next is D. So the D major pentatonic scale is open D, 2nd fret D, 4th fret D, 2nd fret G, 4th fret G, 3rd fret B. And we're actually sliding here. And then pick the rest of the notes. So we slide from the, you can open and then hammer on the 2nd fret D string, and then immediately slide to the 4th fret. Alright, let's play right up to the D chord. And then we're going to end on this. How do we do that? So we're back into the G major pentatonic, right? But now we're going to come from the bottom up. So pull off on the 3rd fret E string to open E. Do the same on the B string. Pull off from the 3rd to the 2nd fret on a G string. And then pull off again to open G. Okay? And then you could start again. But we played it a little bit different the second time around. So I'm going into that right now. The second time around you can play it like we did the first time. If you want to do that, that's up to you. But the second time around I played it on the bar chord. But I just used the F shape and I only hit the 4 bottom string. Okay? And then I went into the G major pentatonic scale, but down here. Okay, so it starts here. Okay? With your ring finger, slide down to hit the D string on the 5th fret, slide to the 7th and the 9th, then go to the G string on the 7th, 9th, and the 8th B string. So the second time around, the C chord, we'll play the C chord here. That's the A-shaped bar chord. But I play it just with my index finger. So I'm barring all the lower strings. And then I'm playing the C major scale here. So that's what we do here. And then we slide down to D. Instead of playing D here, we play the bar chord. Actually, maybe I played it like that, but you can play whatever. A little bend up. And then the same ending. Alright, so you have now learned the major pentatonic scale in the key of G, in the key of C, and in the key of D. And so that's pretty cool. And you learned it in the open position. Right there. And you also learned it in the bar chord shape. And of course also in the A-shaped part. And the cool thing is that you can play that, for example, in G. Or you can also slide diagonally. That's the 1st octave. That would be the 2nd octave. 3rd octave. Right down to a 3rd octave. So you can play it diagonally too, and you can do that in every key. You can go in the key of A and play that A major pentatonic diagonally here too. first octave, second octave, right down here, third octave. So that's a handy little trick to know. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you can apply this major pentatonic scale now a little bit more in your playing and explore it further. This is just a little taste. Now it's up to you to take it to the places you want to take it. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy it, and look out for further lessons to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.